Are you passionate about helping skilled professionals achieve their dreams? Do you have the expertise to guide individuals in navigating the complexities of working abroad? The Center for Bangladesh Digital Services, BDS, is seeking a highly skilled freelancer to join our team and empower Bangladeshi professionals to secure international work permits. In this remote freelance role, you'll be responsible for assisting clients in obtaining work permits for countries like the USA, Canada, Australia, and European nations. You'll guide them through the application process, ensuring all documents are accurate and submitted efficiently. Staying up to date on immigration laws is crucial. You'll provide clients with current information to maximize their success. Excellent communication is key. You'll keep clients informed of application status and address any concerns they may have. Text overlay, the ideal candidate. Enjoy the flexibility of remote work from anywhere in Bangladesh. We offer a competitive compensation package based on experience and performance. Make a real difference. Help individuals pursue their global career aspirations. If you're passionate about facilitating international careers and empowering others, we encourage you to apply. Text overlay. Send your resume and cover letter to info@BDS.VISION website, https://www.bds.vision/. Voiceover. Join us in turning dreams of working abroad into reality for Bangladeshi high-skilled workers. Text on Screen Center for Bangladesh Digital Services, empowering careers globally.